Hey guys, it's Coach Shaunie. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a new method that I discovered like a few months ago. I saw someone on Instagram doing it, so I decided to try it out for myself, and it actually works amazingly on my hair. So I'm pretty sure you've heard of the chase method using like a rat tail comb with your flat iron, and I was never able to do that, so that was a fail for me. So I just used my tangle teaser until I discovered the brush chasing method. So you'll see it in the video, but basically what I do is I put my hair laying on top of the brush and I pull it to make my hair taut, and then I just chase it with the flat iron. So with this, you'll have more tension, so your hair straightens faster and a whole lot easier compared to this, which your hair just glides through anyways, unless you're doing like thick sections, which I don't recommend if you're trying to get like a really straight look, unless you're using like a really hot iron, which I don't recommend either. So I am using my Nano Titanium by Babyliss Pro, and the setting is about it doesn't have the heat setting on this, probably like 375 380 ish Fahrenheit. Yes, so all you need is some clips, your flat iron, heat protectant I already put on my hair yesterday when I did my blowout, and I added a little bit more just for protection, so that's why my hair looks so way down. Yeah, better safe than sorry. I've been down this road before with the heat damage, so I just pack it on. But if you want light, fluffy, you know, hair with body, then use less heat protectant and just be careful. Just watch your hair. You should know your hair. Yes, so that's it. So I just detangle with my Denman brush, and then I start with the chase method with the boar bristle brush. And this brush I got from probably Walmart or something. I don't know. It's just a soft boar bristle brush, nothing special. Yeah, but anyways, check out the video, and if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any more video suggestions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and tap on that notification bell so you'll know when I upload videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy.
you can